Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly repair a chute on your snowblower that swivels easily like this, even when you don't want it to do that. A lot of people who come in the shop ask me, how can I get the chute on my Ariens to stop turning so easily? I set it somewhere in a position, then when I start to blow snow, the chute moves on its own. And you can see it's really loose here. And you can see the handle turn as I turn the chute. Well, the repair for this problem is quite easy. All you have to do is tighten up the nut down here. It's a 9/16. And just tighten up the nut until the chute becomes harder to turn. Now tighten up the nut in increments and check the chute for how stiff it is. It's still a bit loose, it might move when you're blowing snow, so I'm going to tighten it up a bit more. And now it's getting quite stiff, I'm just going to back off here. And that should not move now. And at this point here, I know it's perfect because I can turn it quite easily, and I know when I'm blowing snow, it's not going to want to turn on its own. So again, it's so easy. All you have to do is tighten up the nut to make it tighter. If your chute is already too tight, just back off on the nut. You'll have to tighten it or loosen it until you find the happy medium for you. And by the way, guys, this is my personal snowblower. I do have a video showing how I attached the LED lights on it. The link is under the video as well. And these are pretty good machines. This machine here is about 10 years old. I've never had too many problems with it. When I bought the body, I had to put an engine in there. And that was about it. So thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And have yourselves a great day.